Guys, are you looking for ways to make money online? In today's video, I'm going to share with you various ways to start making money online from today. Yes, so if this strikes as something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. And you know what? I have a giveaway at the end of today's video, so make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. Let's get right into today's business. Guys, do you know that you can become a remote customer service representative? And in case you don't know, as a remote customer service representative, all you need to do is to provide support and assistance to customers from anywhere, anywhere with an internet connection. As long as you have an internet connection and you have a working phone, hey, businesses actually continue to embrace remote work. Businesses want to, hire more people remotely. I also hire people remotely, and the demand for remote customer service roles continues to grow. Here are the skills that you need, for success in this role. Number one is excellent communication skills, problem-solving abilities, and you must be customer-centric. You must have that customer-centric mindset. Yes, and remote customer service representatives typically interact with customers through the phone, email, chats, or social media platforms to address inquiries, to resolve issues, and to provide general support. Training, as for training and onboarding, they have a process that is provided by employers to help familiarize people with company policies, products, and systems. Now, remote customer service roles offer flexibility in work hours and location, and it makes them ideal, for people that are looking for a remote career. You can even work in the midnight, because there are different time zones all over the world. So some people are just waking up when some people are just going to bed, and you can get your own shifts around that period. So I hope you understand the drift. Now, another way to make money online is by offering transcription services. Who would have thought that you can make money by watching videos? Hey, guys, do you know you can offer transcription services, and it involves converting audio or video files into written text. You can cater to a wide range of industries like academia, business, healthcare, and media. And as a transcriptionist, you must possess a strong listening skill, attention to details, and typing proficiency. So for you to start, you can set up a freelance transcription business by creating a professional website or a profile on freelancing websites or platforms like Upwork, Fiverr. Now, marketing efforts can also include networking with potential clients. You can join transcription groups or forums and showcase accuracy and reliability through simple transcriptions. You can also specialize in specific industries or transcription types like, medical or legal transcriptions to target niche markets and command, of course, higher rates, which means you make more money. Another way to make money is by selling print-on-demand products. Selling print-on-demand products offers a lucrative business model that can even help you save money by monetizing your creativity and designing and selling custom merchandise without the need for inventory or any upfront costs. Guys, print-on-demand platforms handle the products manufacturing by themselves. They handle printing, they handle the shipping. They allow sellers to just focus on designing their products. You can create designs for everything from the apparel and accessories to home decor. Another way to make money is by offering virtual assistant services. Guys, virtual assistant services like administrative, technical, or creative support includes tasks like email management, scheduling, research, data entry, or social media management. Virtual assistants must possess strong organizational and communication skills and proficiency in software tools like project management platforms. To start, you can create a professional website or profile on those freelancing platforms to begin networking with potential clients. Another way to make money is by selling stock photos, and videos. Selling stock photos or videos is an opportunity for photographers and videographers to monetize their work by licensing images and footage to businesses, media outlets, individuals for various purposes. Do you know that you can also sign up as a contributor on stock photography platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Getty Images, and submit high quality images or videos for review? Guys, successful contributions always focus on niche topics, or subjects with high demand like lifestyle, business, technology, or nature photography. And you can build a diverse portfolio of assets and optimize metadata and keywords for discoverability, for people to discover you. And Also make sure that you follow the standards, adhere to all the standards, to quality standards that are set by stock agencies, because they are essential for maximizing sales and your earnings. Here are some tips that you need to remember. Please research and choose reliable platforms. Research different online platforms and marketplaces to find reputable and trustworthy opportunities. Also look for platforms with positive reviews, yes, clear payments policies, and a supportive community. Please invest in learning and skill development. Yes, keep on improving your existing skills to stay competitive. Take advantage of any online courses, tutorials, and resources that are available on various platforms to enhance your skill set and increase your earning potential. Also network and collaborate. Yes, network with other professionals, freelancers, and potential clients or customers in your industry. Go ahead and join online communities, forums, or social media groups that are related to your niche to connect with similar individuals. Yes, share knowledge and discover new opportunities for collaboration or referrals, and then start making money online today. While you may think that making money online is just a pipe dream, guys, it is not. There are plenty of ways that you can make money online with a side hustles, and there are thousands of people that do it every day, including me. If I can do it, trust me, you can do it too. However, for you to make money online, you have to establish an online presence and do well to market yourself every single day. I have a lot of ways, a lot of things I'm going to be sharing with you guys on this channel. So if you have not joined the family yet, please go ahead and do that right away. If you're new to this channel, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know your meet, where in the world are you tuning in from, and if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. God bless you real good. Yes, so guys, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, share this video, and yes, here is the giveaway part. Are you excited? I am. So guys, here is how to enter for my giveaway. I'm going to be giving $100 cash. Yes, cash to you guys. First and foremost, we have launched our Telegram community. So go ahead and invite 50 people into my Telegram group. So you can share with 200 people and at least 50 of them will join. Or you can share with 1,000 people just to increase your chances. Of course, if you add more than 50 people, of course, you stand a higher chance, to win my $100 giveaway. And I'm going to send it to you. Yes, I can send it through Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, Western Union money transfer, anywhere in the world. I'm gonna send you $100. So yes, you are ready to make money today. And I also have an affiliate marketing opportunity for my brand. If you're interested, you're gonna make $170 per client, and that is it, guys, for today. Making money online is easier than you think. Like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. So that is it, guys, for today. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And at this point, I want to say a big thank you to my amazing channel members of this community, as well as my Patreon community. Thank you to all of my patrons. I see you guys. I love you guys. Thank you for your constant love and support. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you would like to join my Patreon community, you can find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon community is that I get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. So guys, that is it for today. If you have any question, let me know. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you guys. So that is it, guys, for today. Hope to see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves, keep winning and keep sparking. And in case someone has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I am so proud of you. Take care, guys, and bye for now. Love you.
Mariam Adepaju.